Good day, everyone. My name is Abigail Iheanacho, the CEO of Rush and CARE Biogas Enterprise. Here with me is my team.
My name is Achoke Tony Chaik, the operating and the biogas technician of Rush and CARE Biogas Enterprise.
My name is Treasure Doka. I am the community outreach coordinator of Rush and CARE Biogas Enterprise.
My name is Eunice Omubiko. I am the sales and marketing manager of Rush and CARE Biogas Enterprise.
My name is James Udoka. I'm the financial manager of Rush and CARE Biogas Enterprises.
Imagine a community or country where waste is not a burden but the resources that fuel sustainable living. This is the future we are building at Rush and CARE Biogas Enterprise. And today we are making this vision a reality by converting biodegradable waste into biogas, a sustainable renewable energy source that powers homes and communities. What motivated us to start up this business is because Nigeria faces a significant challenge in poor waste management and lack of clean energy access. And more than 67% of Nigerian households still rely on firewood, contributing to deforestation, respiratory problems, and environmental pollution. Our innovative solution involves the construction and installation of biogas digesters that turn biodegradable waste into cooking gas and nutrient-rich biofertilizer, boosting food security by enhancing soil health. We generate our revenue from biogas system sales and installations, maintenance and custom fabrication, training workshops, and sales of biofertilizer. We have successfully installed and sold digesters to local communities, small businesses, and homes, which significantly raise awareness of the benefits of biogas, proving the demand for sustainable waste to energy solution. We target households in rural and urban areas, small communities lacking proper waste management, local governments and NGOs interested in environmental conservation, farmers looking for affordable organic fertilizer. Our marketing plan includes community outreach programs, partnership with local governments, NGO, community leaders, social media campaigns, and referral programs. We are seeking a grant of 2 million naira from Ugumba Foundation to expand production capacity, enhance outreach programs to create more awareness, and create job opportunity. Together we can make clean energy accessible for all and build a future where waste becomes a resource, not a burden. Thank you for considering our pitch. We look forward to partnering with you in this transformative journey. Thank you.